Coaster Dad. I thought I was going to say it there. You said it, Rollerblades and Coaster Dad.
Yeah.
We are back here, as we were last week, in the middle of Edinburgh. But something's open now, right?
Edinburgh Christmas.
Yep, Edinburgh Christmas, the annual Funfair for the Christmas period is here. Along with the Christmas market, there's ice skating. It's all here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very fun.
So we're going to take you on a little tour, and we might even go on some rides. So here we are under Edinburgh Castle, and we have got the Taylor's Waltzer out. We have got a Santa Trail Funhouse, and all the little kiddie stuff is at this end of Princes Street. There's some great stalls here. Yorkshire pudding wraps. Oh, everyone loves those, especially if you've seen our recent stuff in York. And there's a stall over there. It's Mimi's Bakehouse Coaster, Mum. They've got a Mimi's Bakehouse cake stall.
Ooh, that's great.
They're our local fab little bakery here in Edinburgh. So yeah, maybe we'll get on the Waltzer. Maybe we'll head down to the other end of the street as well. So right in the middle of this funfair is the Ross Fountain, the Victorian fountain here under Edinburgh Castle, that has just recently in the last couple of years been restored. It was a long process, but it is really looking glossy and lovely. But it is strange to see this, which is normally a peaceful walk in the park kind of a place, turned into funfair madness with a Waltzer right next to it. And Baz is in the queue.
You may not be able to hear me, but we are on the Waltzer. Alright. So we are on it. We are going to die.
How was it, Baz?
Very spinny. I can see what you mean by head bashy. That was a little bit of a short seat for me, so I just went down a little bit. But that was very spinny and good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Good Waltzer. I know you've been on this one before, but it is fun going on it with all the lights on.
Yeah.
And in the middle of Christmas. Well, shall we go and wander off, see what else is going on?
Yeah.
So this is the smaller kids section here at the west end of Princes Street. You've got some little aeroplane flyers, small car ride over there, a tiny kiddie coaster and a tiny fun house. But I think we're a bit big for that, aren't we, Baz?
Yes.
So we'll head down to the east end of Princess Street and we'll catch you in a minute. Well, it's not open right this second, but there is a Christmas tree maze here, which claims to be amazing.
Yeah, I think it might open later, so we'll go and check that out later.
Yeah, Christmas tree.
It's
A little grotto in there.
the things that Oh, hello. This is the big wheel at Edinburgh Christmas, and we've made it to the other side of Edinburgh Christmas, and where the big things are.
Sorry, did you say where the big things are?
Yeah, the big things.
Oh, those big things, right.
All those big things.
The fourth one, big wheel. And here we are at Edinburgh's Christmas market. Let's have a look what's for sale. Well, burger, sausages, stovies and haggis for a starter. Oh, they want us to get in down the other end. So Baz, how would you describe the queue?
Long.
It's a bit long, isn't it, to get
Boring.
in? We've had to come all the way down to Waverley, so don't try and queue in via the National Portrait Gallery, you have to come down to Waverley, right? You don't like queues, do you? Fair enough. Right, I've got to get in there and buy a sausage.
Okay, we are on Techno Power now. This one is supposed to be really good. Oh wow, little Taylors of Edinburgh, thanks for the ride, guys. And also Edinburgh Christmas is a great fun fair. You'll enjoy it, and whoa, here we are.
Someone who will take you home for everyone.
Bye mum, bye dad.
Christmas time and Christmas tree, he's a happy family. Richard and he's got no pup, he's a lonely pup in a Christmas shop.
Oh God. Whoa! Whoa!
Mr. Santa with you,
Whoa! Oh!
someone who will take you home.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You get such a good view of that! Oh! Whoa! Okay, this is mad! Whoa! Whoa! Oh goodness! Oh! Oh wow! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! can't send it from here too.
How was Techno Power today?
It was really good. It was faster. Way faster.
Prices today, it's about £7 for most of the rides, which is part of the reason that Baz is going on by himself, save a few pennies and get some B-roll. And I've been on Techno Power this year already and it was fun. But yeah, good in the dark. Good.
Yeah.
Because yeah, dark ride, see all the lights.
When you were facing upwards, you like saw all like the whole bit that.
The whole Scott Monument.
Yeah.
To the author, Walter Scott. Bit of education on our vlog.
Like this, and you're just looking up at it. It's really
Cool.
good.
Well, let's have another wander, see what we can find. Really a pretty helter-skelter here, very Moulin Rouge. Now this is only £3 per ride. You also do get discount on the rides if you live in Edinburgh and you can show ID showing you got an Edinburgh postcode.
Alright, it's okay. Oh, take me a long time to get up these stairs.
The steps are too much.
Yeah. So yeah, viewers, we're just going up the stairs. It goes quite high, this one.
Yeah.
Oh. It's a big climb. Oh, don't worry, I see the top. I see the top. Oh. It takes a long time.
Short going down yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, with your GoPro on, cool. That's it.
Okay.
Like that. Keep your feet on the mat like that, yeah? Like that. And you hold your knees, yeah? Put your hands in. Hold your knees, yeah? Like that.
What? Like this.
That's it. Keep your hands in, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much. Ow, ow, ow. Whoa! Oh.
Baz, how was the helter-skelter?
Yeah, it was great. Whew. There I am, okay. It just like, I came flying. I literally came flying down. That's a really fast helter-skelter.
A quick one, yeah?
Yeah, you have to like do this. You have to like curl yourself in.
Curl yourself in, don't bash the sides, and down you come. Well,
Yeah.
I think that is probably it for us for rides. We're going to go and have a look at the food now, right?
Wait, really?
Baz, how's the waffle?
It's great.
So, Baz, here we are on the 4th big wheel, waiting to load.
Oh, yes, I'm going to like this. Mum, get ready to go.
It's the 4th one big wheel, I should actually accurately say, shouldn't I? Don't be upset, 4th one. I got your radio station name wrong. It's coming to a stop, and I think we'll be getting in.
Look at the doors, they come open like...
Someone dropped their phone. The gate's open, the door's open, and we're in.
Mum, do you want to sit with me just to stay even down and wait
Welcome to the 4th one. Oh, hello. Out there you can see the old town of Edinburgh and the new town of Edinburgh on that side, but back here we can see Edinburgh Castle just about. Oh, if the light lets us on the camera, we'll spot that the next time around.
Whoa.
There's the museum on the mound there. Used to be a bank, all lit up in its Christmas present colours. We've got the Helter Skelter here and a little view of Edinburgh's Christmas.
Wow, look at that. It's very pretty. Ooh.
My Mr. Black there.
I'll just hold the head. Very nice. Off this round.
So yeah, it is a speedy wheel and that is the tour. So we're getting a slightly better view with the microphone off. Sorry about the sound quality, but we can then get right up against the window. And you can see down the length of Princes Street, and in front of us is the National Gallery of Scotland, all lit up there with the Christmas market just in front of it. You haven't seen that bit yet. And up in the top left with the lights, a bit hard to get. You can see the castle lighting up. They're having the Festival of Colours up there at the moment, which is a kind of walk-through lighting event. We did it last year. It was a slightly different show. And it's a lot of fun. Well worth doing once. There's a better view of the old bank once again, the museum on the mound, where you can go and check out the history of money. And that is the mound there, the road coming down behind it that snakes down the hill. And that is our view of Edinburgh's Christmas from the fourth one, big wheel. Little swing there. You just heard Coaster Mum react to the little swing.
What?
Hold on tight or you might die. So that is it. We have been to Edinburgh's Christmas. We've been, well, you've been on nearly all the big rides. We've all had to go on the Ferris wheel and have had a little look around the market.
Oh,
Did you have a good time?
yeah.
I don't know when we're next going to be on rides, guys. We were hoping to go to the big Funfair in Stoke, but apparently that's not happening this year. Oh, wait, I hadn't told you that. It's not looking like it's going to happen.
Huh?
But, yeah, well, we'll talk about it off cam. But, yeah, we will find something to ride at some point soon. In the meantime, we will throw together some other little travel vlogs that we've done. We'll give you some of our recommendations for the best theme parks and best rides we've been on during this first year of our channel and of being enthusiasts. But more than anything else, we will see you next time on
Rollbars and
Coaster Dad.
yay.
See you next time here in Edinburgh.
Bye.